She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Welcome back to the Morning Toast. It is a beautiful Monday here in New York City following a beautiful
Hey guys, what's up? It's a little later. I thought I would show you guys a little grocery haul because everyone always asks me what I get for WW. I'm on the green plan and I get like, I think 30 points a day. My camera's dying, but really quickly, I'll take you through. There's some Greek yogurt, Velveeta, Gatorade Zero, love those. They're 0 points. This is for if my sugar goes low. I love sourdough bread. I get that like every time. Some pita chips. I have asparagus, blueberries, pineapple, strawberries, lemon and limes. I have a green pepper. I have some turkey breast, some coleslaw to go with my shrimp, which y'all will see later this week. I just got 2 of the tomato soups. I got some egg whites, some Propel, some spring mix. That's my favorite type of lettuce. This is my favorite creamer I use. And this is the best oat milk ever. It has more carbs, but it has the same amount of points as any other like almond milk or anything. And then my favorite bars to get are the fudge Weight Watchers bars. They're so big and you get so much for the amount of points they are, so they're super yummy. Also, if you're looking for like meal ideas, I get like this cauliflower rice that's seasoned. I cook this a lot, which is what the coleslaw's for. I get this like all the time from Walmart. They're super yummy. It's about like $4 and they're already cooked, so you just have to season them. And I usually just do them in the pan for a few minutes. You guys, nobody understands the magic of this little wrap. I'm having my first pub sub since I've been home. And for those of you who don't have the luxury of being able to have pub subs, I'm so sorry. This is what I miss most when I'm in Oklahoma. Not being able to go to Publix. See, Publix. Hey guys, what's up? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so my package just came. I got the G7X in the mail today. And I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, this is so crazy. Okay guys, so here she is. I just got the G7X Mark II. I want to give a little backstory on why I chose to get this. I have the EOS M50. Whew, sorry, I'm out of breath because I just got off the phone with the insurance company. But so I wanted to get this because I wanted something. There's a lot of times that I go places and I want to do really quick, and it's kind of hard with the M50, and there's a billion different reasons. I wanted to have an extra camera just in case something happened. I wanted to have one that was easier to take abroad because I was supposed to go abroad this summer. But I don't really feel like I have to explain it because it's my money and I saved it up and I'm spending it on what I want to spend it on. But yeah, so I just got the G7X Mark II. Ah, I'm so excited. I will still be filming on the camera I have right now. So here we go. I did get, this is just insurance stuff. I did purchase the Best Buy, the Geek Squad warranty. So yeah, I don't know if anyone has ever used it before. I didn't show. Here's the little getting started book. Yeah. Oh, here it is. Is the charger in here? Yeah. So I am kind of excited because I was gonna, oh wait, I don't know if it's the same size. It's smaller. Dang it. I really want to order another battery because the EOS M50 dies super fast. And I've been searching ways to make it like last longer. So I'm working on that right now. But yeah, so here's the battery. I'm sure it's not charged yet. I'm probably, I am gonna see if it's charged. I don't think it is. But here it is. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Okay, so this is like how thin it is. I'll show y'all a video. So ignore my nails. I'll show y'all a video of what mine looks like right now, like the EOS M50, because let's see. What's this? There we go. The EOS M50 because, oh man, I gotta charge the battery first. But here it is. This is it. There it goes. Also, the lens I have right now is not a retractable lens, and this one is. So here's the back, the side view, the other side view, and then it just flips up like this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Say hey. Okay guys, I'm now just like watching my video back that's posted just to be sure everything looks good. And I'm making my coffee right now from these beans. And it was so cool. Y'all saw how I grinded it up. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make some eggs and maybe a waffle. We'll see.
It's like a roll with it. I'm literally about to torture myself for 24 hours. Like, I don't know why I'm doing this, but like I really want to because I feel like it'd be fun. It's
I'll show you guys how after. Okay guys, I just finished the Zoom. I was on there for about an hour, but oh, I wasn't even recording my face, sorry. I'm gonna go take my makeup off. I'm gonna check my sugar, eat something, and probably go on a bike ride because I just need to get out of the house and start getting ready for bed because I did not sleep well last night. So yeah. Okay guys, that's not gonna work. I'm going to Chick-fil-A to get dinner, just kind of treat myself. I'm not feeling very well at all, so Okay guys, I changed, let's see if the lighting's better this way. I did my skincare. I didn't put any makeup on because maybe that'll help my skin. But yeah, I'm just wearing leggings and a t-shirt. Okay, ignore my nails. If you're looking for a cute place to stop, I've talked about them before. This is the Flossy Peach. It's located, that's their Instagram. But I just ordered these. They're, I think supposed to be like the Alexander McQueen ones. And I love that style of shoe. And I'm always looking for a sneaker to kind of dress up with like leggings and a shirt. So yeah, they're only 20 bucks, so I got them. And I forgot I ordered 2 things from Amazon Prime. So I figured I'd show you guys what I got. It's nothing super interesting, but we got a new car mount. So I got this one because I wanted to be able to like film. I used to do like montages of me like driving on the road and stuff and show the views, but I didn't have one of these things, and I saw someone put it at a different spot in their car that I think might work better for my camera. So we're gonna try that. It's a lot smaller than my other one. My other one was very, very big. So we're gonna try this and put it on my dash and see if it works a little better. And I think the other thing is just a SD card, so I don't have to keep on going back and forth with my SD cards. You guys, I think I'm going to maybe, not now, but within the next couple of weeks, there's a couple like car accessories I want that I've seen like on TikTok and on YouTube. And so I think I'm gonna like do a like cleaning my car and like redecorating it or whatever, because I never did a car tour when I got it. Anyway, so yeah, this is what the other thing was. It's just a 64 gigabyte little camera card. So I also have to order a new USB-C because mine is going in and out and not working. So I look so tan. Not mad about it.